Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken meat pickle, and it is very famous in Arunachal pradesh known as LUKTIR. So I'm going to make this recipe and hope you guys like it. Follow me. First I'm going to cut the chicken into pieces. I already cut the chicken into pieces. Then I'm going to use coriander leaf. Then I'm going to add garlic. I already chopped the garlic into pieces. The first step is we are going to fry the chicken until it getting brownish color. Already fry the chicken. I'm waiting for the chicken to turn into brownish color. After turning into brownish, it will be like crispy one. See that the chicken is turning into a crispy one. Now I'm going to fry the chili. In that, I'm going to add the crispy chicken in it. I add the chicken in, and you have to mix it well. You can see. Now I'm going to add some coriander leaf so that it will get taste, right taste. Friends, now my chicken meat pickle recipe is ready. Hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you for watching my video.